Hello friend, this is me, your host. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are well and doing great. So today I'm back with another video to give a review on a book which is The Secrets to Living Longer. This book is by Dr. Muhammad Naveed Akbar. In this book, we will learn how to unlock secrets to a longer and healthier life. Why this book? So what first we will see that why this book is needed. My journey in researching longevity began during my doctoral studies in the synthesis of medicinal compounds, where I explored the impact of natural and laboratory created substances on the human body. As my work progressed, I pursued a second doctorate in education and technology. With a specific focus on how technology with a specific focus on how technological advancement influence the well-being of PhD students and professionals in high stress environments. Through my research, I realized that longevity is not a single discipline. It is a multifaceted field that intertwines medicine, nutrition, psychology, neuroscience, lifestyle, lifestyle habits, and even technological innovation. I wrote this book with a singular goal in mind: to provide readers with scientifically backed practical strategies to extend both their lifespan and health span. While we often hear about the latest superfoods or medical breakthroughs that promise longevity, true longevity is the result of sustainable habits and long-term lifestyle changes. What you will learn. So in this video we will see that what you will learn in this book. This book is divided into 60 chapters, each focusing on a specific longevity factor ranging from nutrition and exercise to stress management, sleep quality, and social connections. You will explore the impact of diet on aging, what foods promote longevity, what eating patterns do centenarians follow, exercise as medicine, which types of physical activity boost lifespan, and how much do you really need. The signs of stress and sleep. How do stress hormones and sleep deprivation accelerate aging? And what can you do to counteract them? Social and emotional well-being. How does human connection influence longevity? What can we learn from cultures with the highest life expectancy? Technological innovations in longevity. How can AI, biohacking, and regenerative medicine help us live longer, healthier lives? Lifelong learning and mental resilience. How do brain health and continuous intellectual stimulation prevent cognitive decline and dementia? Every chapter is backed by scientific research, case studies, and expert insights with actionable steps that you can incorporate into your life immediately. Who is this book for? This book is for everyone, anyone who wants to take control of their health and maximize their potential lifespan. Whether you are in your 20s looking to establish longevity, focused habits, or in your 50s seeking ways to improve your health and slow down aging, this book provides valuable insights and evidence based strategies that can be applied at any age. At any age of life. Chapter 1. So in this video we will going to cover chapter 1 of this book. So let's see what we have in this chapter. So, chapter 1 is all about the introduction of this book. So, the first point is the search for longevity, a universal desire. Throughout the history of humanity, the aspiration to live longer and healthier has been at the core of a common imagination. From ancient civilizations to contemporary science, humans have endeavored to find the secrets of longevity. Ancient civilizations Ancient civilizations ranging from the Chinese to the Greeks were intrigued by the prospect of attaining immortality, or at least prolonging the human lifespan. The quest for elixir of life was a source of inspiration for alchemists and philosophers alike. However, as an understanding of biology, medicine, and genetics has grown, the focus of longevity research has shifted from mythical pursuits to scientifically grounded principles. Today, rather than seeking a potion to reverse aging, researchers are discovering how lifestyle, environment, genetics, and modern medicine can all work together to extend our health span. The period of lifespan life spent in good health, free from chronic diseases and disabilities. Defining longevity, health span versus long span, lifespan. Before we delve into the specifics of how to live longer, it's important to understand the distinction between lifespan and health span. Lifespan is the number of years a person lives. It's a straightforward measure, usually expressed as an average or maximum for our population, such as the maximum recorded lifespan of 122 years for Jenny Carment, a French woman who lived to be the longest lived human ever. Health span, however, is a measure of how long one stays healthy and alive without the usual disabling chronic diseases of aging. It's not merely how long you live, but also how well and how healthy you live during that time. Whereas lifespan is frequently determined by biological factors, health span is more a product of lifestyle choices, the environment, and healthcare access. Researchers today are working to increase not only how long we live, but also how long we live in good health. The science behind aging and longevity. Knowing the biological process of aging is important in pursuing how to make it slower or even reverse aspects of it. Aging is not merely growing old, it's a product of a multifactorial interplay of genetic, environment, and lifestyle factors. There are many biological mechanisms behind the aging process, such as genetic programming. A lot of scientists think that genes contribute significantly to the way we age. There are genes believed to control the body growth and repair over time, and some forms increase vulnerability to diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart conditions. Telomere shortening. With each well with each cell division, the telomeres shorten. This is an intrinsic cause of cellular aging. When telomeres shorten beyond a certain point, the cell can no longer divide. And cellular aging followed by tissue degeneration results. Oxidative stress. Gradually, the buildup of free radicals, unstable molecules generated by metabolism, environmental pollutants, and ultraviolet light can lead to cellular damage. Oxidative stress harms our DNA, proteins, and lipids, hastening aging and leading to the onset of numerous age-related illness. Mitochondrial mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria, the energy factories of our cells, slowly lose their effectiveness with age. While generating energy, they also emit byproducts that may harm the cell itself. Mitochondrial dysfunction is associated with diseases like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Inflammation. As we age, a process of chronic inflammation, also known as inflammaging, occurs. Which is associated with the onset of diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Inflammation is a normal part of the body's immune response. But over time, the immune system is dysregulated, leading to low-grade chronic inflammation. The role of genetics in longevity. Though lifestyle is a big contributor to aging, genetics cannot be denied. Some people appear to age less quickly in the nine some people appear to age less quickly, enjoying great health well into their 90s and beyond, while others develop age related earlier in life. These differences imply that our genes are a big part of how long and how well we live. Recent research into centenarians, people who live to ages of 100 or more, has shown that certain genes have been linked with longer lifespans. Some of these longevity genes are engaged in functions such as DNA repair, inflammation, and metabolism. An example is the APOE E4 allele, a genetic variant which has been linked with an increased risk of Alzheimer's, while the APOE E2 allele has been associated with enhanced cognitive function and longevity. Identifying these genes give us the clues to understand how we might interrupt the aging. Genetics cannot be denied. Some people appear to identify these genes give us the clue to understand how we might interrupt the aging process and reduce diseases related to age. Moreover, the new area of epigenetics implies that our lifespan styles have the capacity to control the expression of genes. It implies that we may inherit those genes related to aging. Related to aging. Yet through diet, exercise, and stress reduction, we can regulate the expression of these genes. Environmental factors and longevity. Apart from our genetics, and environment also play a significant role in determining our health span and lifespan. These include diet and nutrition. What we consume has a direct impact on our cellular well-being, energy, and disease susceptibility. Diets composed of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins have been found to support longevity, while diets with high levels of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can speed up aging and lead to chronic diseases. Physical activity. Exercise has been linked to a longer, healthier life for many years. Physical activity lowers the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, improves cognitive functions, lifts mood, and strengthens muscles and bones. It also down slows down the effects of aging on the body by lowering oxidative stress and inflammation. Social connections. Studies of longevity hotspots throughout the globe, including the blue zones, have revealed that robust robust social connections and community support are factors in a longer lifespans. These areas where individuals live unusually long lives prioritize family, community, and social involvement, which can foster mental health and alleviate stress. Access to healthcare. Access to quality healthcare plays an important part in longevity. Early disease detection, regulation, regulation, examinations, preventive procedures, and progress in medical technology can all lengthen life. Healthcare also allows for the treatment of chronic ailments and disabilities so that people live longer and more healthy lives. Mental well being and stress management. Chronic stress has been found to negatively impact the body, with increased aging being one of them. High levels of stress increase inflammation, weak immune function, and encourage unhealthy behaviors such as poor eating habits and physical inactivity. The ability to manage stress through mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation skills is vital in ensuring health throughout life. The role of lifestyle. The role of lifestyle in longevity. The role of lifestyle in longevity. In the end, although there is a genetic factor in the end, although there is a genetic factor in how long we may live, we may live, lifestyle decisions have much more to do with how well and how long we live. What we do every day for our entire lives decides if we still one of the increasing numbers of individuals living to age 100 and beyond, and or if we fall victim to related age-related illness at an earlier age. Studies repeatedly demonstrate that a balanced diet, regular physical activity, a focus on mental health, and avoidance of risky behavior like smoking or heavy drinking can add years to life and enhance quality of life. Making small adjustments in our daily routines can have a large effect on our longevity and health. The major lifestyle habits for longevity: following a diet that is rich in nutrients and anti-inflammatory, regular physical activity, such as aerobic exercise and strength training, having adequate high quality sleep, reduction of stress, by mindfulness and relaxation, development of strong social relationships, abstinence from unhealthy behaviors such as smoking, heavy alcohol use, and physical inactivity. The road ahead: a strategic approach to longevity. As we continue to discover the secrets of aging and longevity, it becomes apparent that there is no one magic bullet that promises a long life. Instead, longevity is the longevity is the product of an integrated strategy that incorporates a mix of good genes, healthy choices, mental happiness, and social connections. This book will delve into the science of aging, the lifestyle components that play a role in longevity, and actionable advice on how to optimize health and add years to one's life. In the next chapters, we will delve into the most longevity areas: nutrition, physical exercise, rest, stress regulation, mental well-being, and how technology affects them. By recognizing and implementing longevity principles, we can not just add years to our lives but also add life to our years. So this is all we have from this book. I hope you guys like the book, like the message, like the information that we get from this book. If you did, don't forget to press the like button. I'll be back with another videos, with another books to give a review on. And if you wanted to suggest any one of the best selling books, you can tell me in the comment section, so I will make a video on that too. And if you wanted to buy any one of these best selling books, you can visit our Amazon page and buy it from there. So I'll be back with another book. Till then, with another book reviews. Till then, just take care and goodbye.